Today I'm sharing 7 valuable marketing lessons I learned from Traffic and Conversion 2018. Clock is ticking. Hey there, my name is Adam Erhart and welcome to Modern Marketing Minute. Today we're going to go over 7 of the most valuable marketing lessons that I took away from my recent attendance at Traffic and Conversion Summit in 2018 down in San Diego. We got a lot to cover and not a lot of time, so I'll get right to it. The first and most important point that I want to make is that relationships rule. In fact, every great thing that I have in my life is a direct result of the relationships that I've formed and invested in over the years. You see, a funny thing happens when you value people over profits. You value people and the profits come. But if you value profits, well, the people aren't always going to be there to follow. It's that simple. Point number 2 is give. This topic is so important that my buddy Nicholas Kuzmich even wrote a book about it, aptly named Give. So give, and then give some more. People can tell a giver from a taker, and it's not really hard to decide which one you're going to want to do business with. Point number 3 is you always want to try and be the dumbest person in the room. Now, I don't mean to go into a room and act silly or crazy or anything like that. Rather, you want to surround yourself with people that are at a much higher level than you in an area that you're trying to achieve. There's a saying that goes, if you're the smartest person in the room, then you're in the wrong room. And it's very, very true, especially if you're trying to achieve that next level of greatness in your business and in your life and marketing. Point number 4 is that kindness is king. And queen and prince and princess and everything along the way. It's just that important, especially if you want to succeed in today's business climate. Kindness is everything, and the most successful people that I've ever worked for or with or been around all have one thing in common, and that's that they're really, really nice people. Point number 5 is you want to play the long game. Now, on this recent trip down to Traffic and Conversion in San Diego, we decided to bring our whole family with us, which meant traveling with 2 little kids. And anyone who's ever traveled with kids, or even if you don't have them, you can imagine, well, it's not exactly the most stress-free thing. First of all, they're going to be thrown way off their schedule. Next, you're going to be traveling with cribs and car seats and strollers and all sorts of extra clothes. So essentially, it turns it into more of an adventure than a relaxing or stress-free vacation. That said, we value things like family time, like getting outside of our comfort zones, and like showing our kids new parts of the world and new experiences. So we're willing to sacrifice a little bit of short-term pleasure or fun for that longer-term greater good of the family. And that's the same approach that you want to take in your business. The short and easy path is rarely the right one to take, especially if you're looking for long-term success. Point number 6 is that there is way more than enough to go around. So when it comes to thinking about business and marketing, you've got really 2 different mindsets you can adopt. One is the abundance mentality, which is what I just talked about, believing that there's a ton to go around. The other is the scarcity mindset, where you believe that resources and customers and clients and money is limited and there's not enough. Now, without getting into the science or even the pseudoscience and kind of the woo-woo hippie-ish stuff, the reality is there is way more than enough to go around, especially because everybody wants different things. So when you understand this, it allows you to approach your business and your marketing from a position of abundance, which is way more attractive to your customers and clients. Point number 7, and the final point that I want to cover, is you want to stay hungry. By this I mean you always want to be learning and trying new strategies and testing and seeing what you can do to improve your business. Now, many of the people that I met at the conference and many of my friends that were down there are 8- and 9-figure business owners who are wildly successful in their business, and yet here they were sitting right beside me, taking notes, trying to learn and trying to find new ideas that they're going to be able to take back and implement in their business. So stay hungry, my friends. Keep learning, keep listening, keep watching, and keep consuming all the information that's really going to help take your business and your marketing to the next level and way beyond that.